Hello guys, my name is Charles Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today we are going to be discussing Instagram, and most of the series of this week we are going to be discussing Instagram. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make use of Instagram on your desktop application. And on your desktop browser you could actually make use of Instagram through the normal web application, but it doesn't allow you to post or upload images which you want to upload. But with this feature I have, you guys will be able to upload images you want to whenever you want to, and to share and to engage with it. Alright, let me show you guys how to do this. And it also gives you guys more features in sharing your images and your contacts on your Facebook and your other social media contacts. Alright, let's go ahead and open this application and show you guys how to do it. Now when you have your favorite browser open, actually this application only works on Chrome browser, so you could only make use of your Chrome browser to do it. Alright, once you have your Chrome browser open, just go ahead and type chrome.com chrome.google.com/webstore. Just type chrome.google.com/webstore and then go ahead and click on enter. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded up, go ahead and search for any application you want. You can always install any applications you want, but for this tutorial base we are going to install Instagram Desktop. It's called Instagram Desktop. Okay, once you've typed it out, go ahead and click enter and also wait for it to load. If you for some reason find any way to make use of other applications, you can go ahead and do that, but for this purpose we are going to install this Instagram Desktop. Wait for it. Alright, we have the application right here. All we need to do is go ahead and install it. So this is the application we are looking for, Desktop for Instagram. So go ahead and click on add to Chrome. Once you hit that, wait for it to load. Now it shows you an option, it can read, change, blah blah blah, instagram.com site. Just go ahead and click on add extension. It's going to show a pop-up right here. You can see that adding to Chrome, and then it's trying to add it to Chrome. Let me go ahead and pause this video while I add it up. Okay, that's quick. Now it's added the application right here for us. All we need to do is to go ahead and click on it to open it. Now wait for it to load. While it's loading, we should make sure we are signing into our Instagram account. So let's go ahead and open the normal desktop Instagram, because when you click on your sign in, go ahead and click on sign in right here. It's going to prompt you to instagram.com, and then it's going to ask you to log in. So all you need to do is just log in with your normal Instagram detail, like you do on your mobile phones. Now I need to scroll down and then click on login. Now this is the login detail, and I'm just going to put in my my email or my username and then my password. So I wouldn't like to show you guys that. Let me just go ahead and pause this and then play. Okay guys, I'm actually logged in into my account, and you can see all this. This is TS Tech Talk, and then this is my profile. And when I scroll, I can see my profile, but you guys should notice one thing missing here. I am not able to post anything. I can only see my comments, my followers, and I can see my profile also, and that's not good enough for me, because I would want to post something and it's limiting me to that. I wonder why it's so weird. I won't be able to do that, because this application is actually made for a mobile purpose. So with desktop Instagram you could be able to do something like post stuff and then do a little stuff you couldn't here. So let me go ahead and try to refresh this page again. It should be able to synchronize my logged in Instagram with this one, and then there's actually a download photo button right here for this application. So it actually enables you to do more things. You could actually go ahead and toggle this off and on if you like, and it just does the work for you. It doesn't take time. it's very slick and easy. Let's just wait for it to load up so that you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. Alright, finally the application has loaded up for us, and you guys can see it's still the same with your normal desktop version. You can notice the search bar, the little sidebar here, the plus button which allows you to upload image, the love button which actually shows you your followers and your like, and then your profile. So everything is much like you have on your desktop, apart from the fact that it doesn't have a message option. But that's not what we're actually looking for. We could actually do a lot of things, like sharing a particular post, commenting, downloading images, and a lot more. We could actually go ahead and let's go ahead and upload an image so that you guys see how it works. Now go ahead and click on the plus button that allows you to upload an image. You can see it loads up our image, and let's try to locate a particular location in our drive D and try to upload something. And it's uploading. Let's wait for it, give it some minutes. Okay, now it's uploaded. You can see just like our desktop version. I think something else is loading. It's going to load our filter just below, and you could also scale to fit in. Well, once you finish selecting the filters, go ahead and click on next. Now go ahead and add some description that describes your image or your post. Let me see. And I'm just adding some hashtags just to make my post look effective. Then finally, let me just put my URL. Then when you're done, just go ahead and click on share just at the right top here, and you can notice your image is loading, trying to share. Voila, that's it. You can notice your post was published. I mean sorry, your photo was posted. And then you can let's just go ahead and click. Okay, we're already on home. I just want it to load again. Click on the home page. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just make sure you leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Be expecting more videos from Instagram. I'll be making more videos for you guys, and hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy it. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel again. My name is Troy Stanley from TS Tech Talk.